You don't need 6 platforms, you don't need $10,000 in ads budget, and you don't need complicated funnels to get appointments. I'm going to show you the exact system, the process, how you can start getting appointment as a financial advisor. So now I'm going to talk about the landing page, how you should frame it, how you should write your headline, your VSL, how you should set up your calendar there so you can get more appointments, like my client as an example. So each appointment was costing us like $40, $50, and I'm going to show you like the dashboard right now. So 16 website schedules, we spent $785. And in the ad set, you can see the first ad set, we got each appointment is costing us $39. The second ad set is costing us $66. And I'm going to talk about the landing page, how you should frame it exactly. So the first most important thing, and the mistake also I see like financial advisors make when it comes to running ads, creating the landing page, the content and everything, is your content that's getting eyeballs, getting engagement, letting people to click on your website, and they go to your website and they do nothing. They are not taking action because of your headline, your sub headline, and your VSL. Because financial firms, advisors, and everything, what they do is they use their main company website. That's not right. Why? Because the content you are building and creating talks about their pain, and then when someone joins to your website and they see welcome XYZ firm or something like that, they don't care about it. That's the problem. They don't care. You need to create content specifically. When someone clicks from the content, it should speak the same problem you were speaking in the short form video you were using for the ad. So first thing, your headline. Your headline is really important because when someone joins to your website, they are going to see this. The first thing they are going to see should resonate with the content you built. And then you have your sub headline. In the sub headline, what you can do is talk about your exactly target audience, who you are targeting. Like if you are 55 to 65 years old and you can talk about their pain in a specific text, they can read, they can relate, they can understand. Simple and basic. And then you have your VSL. So this VSL video, it got 39 views, and we use Loom so we can track the VSL watching, the percentage, how many people are watching and seeing and engaging with the content that we built in the landing page. So 39 views, and we got 16 appointments from this VSL, because this VSL was speaking to the pain, giving them reason to take the action, and simple and easy. You can build it yourself as well, but you need to have this mindset, understanding who you are speaking to exactly, and creating this type of content. So what we do for our clients is really simple, is we build a content topics, we build a hook, call to action, simple short videos. I'm going to show you the exact examples as well, what we use for ads that got us appointments for our clients as well. So what we do is really simple, creating short form content, creating the website, and start running the campaign. So what we do is all done for you, for our clients, and they spend 1 hour a month with us, recording the videos, and then they start getting appointments daily. It can be 2 appointments, it can be 1 appointment, but it depends how much they are going to spend. But the minimum, they spend $3,000 a month, and they get daily appointments easily. So now, after the VSL, you need to place your calendar underneath the VSL. Why? Many financial advisors I see is they place a button or something click and book your call or schedule your call, and people go to your website and they click, they go on different landing page, or they go to your calendar, and it takes time to refresh the page, and people bounce from there, and they don't care about it anymore, so they can take the next step. So what you need to do is really simple, is you are going to let the the calendar underneath the website, so people can immediately book their appointment from there. Simple and easy. And then we have what clients say about working with Gil, is you can use your testimonials if you can, because I see a lot of the times the problem with creating content and using testimonials, case studies is not allowed in financial advisory niche specifically. People don't want to show their face and everything. But again, if you can use it, that will be really great, and it gives more trust to your audience when they are joining to your landing page and they are checking it, and it gives them reason to, so they can take the next step. And simple, talks about their pain, and we have button here, book your confidential call, and they click, they go to the calendar as well. So now I want to talk about, now I'm going to show you exactly what content we used for our clients that got us all these appointments. So let's talk about and watch the first video.
He's made our retirement great. We're able to travel. All of our expenses are all set up for us. We know what we're doing.
Can't say enough great things about Dan. He's helped us with so many life decisions. We just really value his thoughts and opinion.
Danny and Sue.
So did you see what we did here is like using case study testimonial videos at the first 15 seconds, because we are targeting the same audience that we served before. When we use their picture, when we use their video, is people can stop the scroll and relate to themselves, because they are going to see themselves from that video. So if you can use case study or testimonial videos, you need to use it like this so you can get more appointments. The first 5 to 10 seconds, the testimonial video, and then you jump on the video and start talking about their pain and give them the chance so they can take the next step.
Are among the hundreds of clients that we've helped not only set up a paycheck in their retirement, but a play check as well. And now getting to serve them and watch them travel the world has been such a privilege. And this is what we do for all of our clients at Nations First Financial. So if you'd like, click the link below and schedule time with one of our retirement specialist life insurance agents who can walk you through how to get your own personalized complimentary retirement guide today.
So another example.
Long-term care shouldn't fall on your kids. Don't make them your retirement plan. No parent wants to leave their children with the emotional, physical, and financial burden of becoming their caregiver. But without a long-term care plan, that's exactly what many families experience. I've watched adult children step away from their careers, drain their savings, and sacrifice years of their own lives to care for a parent they love. It doesn't have to be that way. Planning for long-term care gives you more choices, helps protect your retirement savings, and allows your children to spend time loving you, not worrying about how they'll care for you or pay for it. That's one of the most meaningful gifts you can leave your family. Click the link below to book a free call with me. I'll show you how to protect your kids from ever carrying this burden.
Another example.
A lot of my clients come to me and say, Gil, I looked into long-term care insurance and it's just too expensive. And honestly, I agree with them. The problem with traditional plans is it works like your car or homeowner's policy. You pay forever, and if you never need care, that money's just gone. Use it or lose it. That's not the only option anymore. We can use an asset you already own and leverage it 2, 3, or even 4 times into tax-free money for your care. And if you never use it, it goes to your family, often with additional earnings. You're covered either way. Your money is always working for you and your family. Click the link below to book a free call with me. I'll show you affordable options most people never hear about.
So these are the examples of content you can use the same style. It can be selfie content, it can be while sitting, but you can use selfie content because it's much easier to record the content that way and more like UGC type of content. But if you can use like professional cameras, lights and everything to record yourself, that works as well. But again, we need something for our clients to be fast and easy for them, and not taking their time and create this content, and we take this content and optimize it in a way so they can get appointments day-to-day basis. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you got any questions, you can let in the comments and I can answer to the question with a video and specifically make step-by-step guide videos. It can be how to optimize your ads, it can be how to create the content, how to record yourself, etc. etc. So you can ask whatever you want. And also, if you are a financial advisor or a firm owner, you can click the link and book an appointment with me, and I can show you exactly how we can create the content, optimize and create a landing page so you can get more appointments for your firm or yourself as well. Thank you so much for watching.